Hi, my name is Emily with Jason's Water Systems, and I'm here with the new customer, Phil. And I just wanted to reach out to you, Phil, and ask you, when we came out to visit you, why did you choose Jason's Water Systems out of all the products on the market? Why Jason's today?
We're new to the area. I did a lot of research, talked to a number of companies, and the information I received, the specifics of the system, the features of the system, the specs of the system really won me over.
Good. Did you learn anything about the flow rate or about service testing, what your plumbing code required? Tell me a little bit about that.
Flow rate was certainly an issue. I also was very impressed with the aftermarket service. After installation, the service that was available, follow-up service, replacement of filters, etc., made me a lot more comfortable.
Absolutely, yes. We definitely at Jason's Water Systems offer an annual maintenance where we don't come out and just do one and done. We come out afterwards. We always hold your hand through the process. We will call you, text you, come out and do a free diagnostics and annual maintenance on your system and provide your filters for you. And so thank you for your business and welcome to Jason's.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.